The subject of this video is troubleshooting slow uploads, failed uploads, or synchronization problems with the OneDrive Sync app. This is also relevant to SharePoint. Here you can see the limitations. These are marketing based. They aren't specific to your environment. They're guidelines. So for example, invalid characters. Remove any non-alphanumeric characters from folders or file names. Also, the file download sizes. I've seen where people have to use the split capability in WinZip. File names and URL length. If it exceeds the character limit, you've got to shorten it. OneDrive Sync will usually tell you the path and the file name and how it has to be shortened by the number of characters. For example, 5. Number of items being synced. It says there's 300,000, but I've seen problems when you start reaching 100,000. You have to go into the corporate office to sync because the remote connections have too many latency. So you have someone that's working remote and they swear they got a really good connection. They bought the best router and service. You can run this tool and it'll give you an idea of what their actual connection is really like. They might be in a congested neighborhood. They might be in a neighborhood with old tech. They may have many people streaming videos, content creators hogging the bandwidth. You never know. And this is a tool that is great for just doing a quick spot check. So things you can do: faster modem speeds, faster lines, faster computers, connect the laptop in the home directly to the router, don't use Wi-Fi, and reduce the amount of connections to the home router. When in the office, speak to your corporate IT team. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.